Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today. I will tell you about valuable USA coin 1968 United States of America Liberty Lincoln penny. Hello, fellow coin enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of numismatics as we explore the captivating story behind the 1968 United States of America Liberty Lincoln penny. This unassuming coin may be from the pocket change era, but hold on to your seats because its value, design, history, and potential worth are nothing short of extraordinary, possibly reaching up into the millions. 1968 Liberty Lincoln pennies. Thanks for joining us. Today, our spotlight is on the 1968 Liberty Lincoln penny. What makes this coin so special? Well, grab a magnifying glass, because we're about to dive into its design, history, and the jaw-dropping value that could await you in your coin collection. The 1968 Liberty Lincoln penny, emphasizing its design features. Let's start with the design. The 1968 penny showcases the iconic image of Abraham Lincoln on the front, a symbol of American history and resilience. The reverse side features the Lincoln Memorial, a monument that adds an extra layer of significance to this coin story. The coin's historical significance. Now, as we delve into the history, the 1968 Liberty Lincoln penny was struck during a pivotal time in American history. Its minting marks a chapter in the nation's journey, making it a unique and cherished piece for collectors and history enthusiasts alike. Historical footage. But here's the kicker. What about the value? Can a small coin like this really be worth millions? The answer might surprise you. Stay tuned as we uncover the factors that contribute to the value of the 1968 Liberty Lincoln penny, from minting variations to its condition and rarity. Value of this coin in market is approximate $519.000.00. And there you have it. The fascinating tale of the 1968 United States of America Liberty Lincoln penny. If you found this video intriguing or were amazed by the potential worth of this seemingly ordinary coin, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more captivating numismatic content. Until next time, happy coin hunting, and may you discover hidden treasures in your collection.